everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this channel, you get to learn all about tally, accounting, GST and taxation. You will also get in-depth knowledge of Tally ERP9 with GST to meet the accounting requirements of the industry. We not only teach the concept but also helps you learn how you can practically implement those concepts in your day-to-day accounting process with practical examples and entries in Tally. Please do subscribe for more accounting related videos. Now let's start with our today's topic. Our today's topic is how to alter or modify company in Tally ERP9 with GST. Okay, so once you have created a company, if you want to alter or modify the company, what are the steps involved? So let's start. First, open Tally ERP9 icon. Okay, now if you have created a company in Tally and you committed some mistake or you want to alter the structure of the company, then it can be done very easily. If you have created a company, like for example, I will press F1. I will select the company. If I want to alter the company Neha Private Limited, so I will select that particular company. Okay. After selecting the company, you have to either press the key Alt plus F3 or you can directly click on company info. If you click on company info, then you will get one option. It is known as alter. I will press enter and I will select my company Neha Private Limited. Now the screen of company alteration will appear. You can make any alteration now, but remember, financial year cannot be changed if any entry is or already done. If you change, the data will be lost. Suppose you want to change the name. Now I have created as Neha Private Limited, but I forgot to make some space between Neha and Private. So I can alter that. Okay, so yes, Neha Private Limited. Now, if I want to change my email ID, I can also alter email ID like nehapumps@gmail.com. Okay. After making any alteration, you should press enter on all fields till it asks you yes or no as shown in the following. Okay, so if you press enter or if you press key Y, all the changes will be accepted. So I am making it as enter. If you select no, then again you have to repeat the same process. After correcting, again, if I open Neha Private Limited, see, I got all the information altered. Like there is a space between Neha and Private. My email ID is also changed. So yes, in this way, I am able to alter or modify my company once it has been created. Thank you.